Don't you miss this place? It's the privileged world I was born into.
The world, the club cannot find out about this.
So many of us had nowhere else to go. उस बेवकूफ को क्या पता था प्यार क्या होता है?
शादी और प्यार का कोई
ये लोग कभी हमारे अपने नहीं होते. My prison, and it's the only world I've known. My prison. It's my home, my prison, and what a beautiful fucking prison.